This is just an extension of one of the video tutorials I did on UV basics. So I was looking at the automatic unwrap. Let's just bring my UV editor up. Bring the various elements over here and let's just dock this. So let's just take my outliner off. So my UV layout, I have this by default, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in to my create menu and do an automatic on this. So what this comes out with is, it comes out with squares, but you can see on my object that I have rectangles. This is elongated, which means that if I put this on, we're going to get distortion on this. Well, we're going to get stretching on this. This is because I've taken a box, and what I've done with it is I've just scaled this up. So I've not actually put in dimensions for this. I've just used my scale tool, and I've not freeze the transforms on this. So let's move that out this way. So here you can see that I have values in my X, Y, and Z, and this is what's causing this problem here. So what I do need to do with this is a quick fix, modify freeze transformations. So if I go in here again and do an automatic on this, you'll see that now we have the correct dimensions. If I click on my checkerboard, there we have the correct aspect ratio on this. Okay, so that's just a quick extension of what I was looking at with the automatic unwrap, just to show you this issue, just so you're aware of it.